got? You give that to the. Are you eating that? Give that to the puppy. She's eating a dog bone.
Oh no. Give it to the puppies. Hey. Hey. No. That's for puppies. She won't let go. Let go. You better let go of that.
Eating that milk bone. Was that good? Was that milk bone good? It was? Found another one. Wait, I'm getting this on video. What do you got? She says, actually, these are pretty good.
For doggies. Hey, don't eat that. Icky. No.
Get that out of your mouth.
Hey. Give me that. Give me that. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get it.